Question number 7. In curly bracket, x cos of y upon x plus y sin of y upon x, curly bracket close, y into dx, and in right side once again in curly bracket y into sin of y upon x minus x cos of y upon x, close the bracket, x and dy. Since in this question y upon x, we have to put y upon x is equal to v. So y is equal to vx and dy upon dx, that is v plus x dv by dx. When differentiate with respect to x, we will get this item. So first find the value of dy upon dx. So see here, dy is here and dx is there. So this dx transfer into right side. So this numerator as it is and divided by this bracket. So x cos of y upon x plus y sin of y upon x into this y, and after that divided by this bracket, y sin y by x minus x cos of y upon x into x. And in this question put y upon x, that is v. So y is equal to vx and dy upon dx, which is v plus x dv by dx. So in equation number 1, in place of dy upon dx, write v plus x dv by dx, and this is the x, and y upon x, that is v, y that is vx, and y by x once again v, and y which is vx. Same as in denominator y, it means vx, this is sin v, x, and this is cos v, and this x, it will be cancelled out, and from remaining bracket x is common out. So only cos v remaining, and here v sin v, and this v also. From denominator, if x is common out, so v sin v, and this is only minus cos v. Here x is cancelled out, and this v transfer into right side, and after that take LCM. So LCM is v sin v minus cos v. So this bracket v sin v minus cos v multiplied by this v, and in next step open this bracket. It means here in first bracket multiplied by this v, and second bracket also multiplied by v. So see there, v into cos v, that is v cos v, and after that v square sin v, and this v square sin v, it will be cancelled out, and minus minus plus v cos v. See there. Now v cos v and plus v cos v, you will get 2 times v cos v. Now separate the variable. So v sin v and cos v here, and divided by only v cos v to live here, and dx upon x. Since here variable is separated, so taking integral both the side. So v sin v minus cos v divided by v cos v, that side 2 dx upon x plus some constant c, but here integral of this item which is log x, so take log c, and here also you will get the answer in the term of log. So when you separate this two term, it means v sin v divided by v cos v, and cos v also divided by cos v. So cos v cancel out, only 1 by v whose integral is log v, and sin upon cos, here v is cancelled out, sin upon cos. Since differential of cos which is minus sin v, so its integral is minus log of cos v. So here minus log cos v, and that side log v, and this 2 when you transfer here, you will get log of x square plus c, and by logarithm rule it will be log c into x square. And if minus sign is common out, then both term it will be positive, and by logarithm rule it will be v into cos v, log v into cos v. See there. So this is the minus sign which is common out, so v into cos v, and this minus sign once again by logarithm rule, if you write here, then this log 2, that log cancel out, and v into cos v whole raised to the power minus 1, it means 1 upon v cos v, and that side cx square. And if v cos v transfer into right side, so you will get only 1 is equal to v cos v cx square. Now in place of v, write y upon x. So y upon x, here also y upon x, so this x is cancelled out, and power. So here you will get only 1, after that c, x and y, and after that cos y by x. But in NCERT book, answer is written c is equal to xy cos of y by x. So this c transfer into left side. So you will get 1 by c, and in place of 1 by c, you may write capital C, and write where capital C, which is equal to 1 by c. This is the answer. And if you want to leave here, there is no problem. Next, question number 8. In question number 8, x dy upon dx minus y x sine of y by x is equal to 0. since here written y upon x, so let y upon x is equal to v, then y is equal to vx, and we will get dy upon dx. So first find here dy upon dx. So this two term transfer into right side, so y it will be positive and this term it will be negative, and after that this x transfer into right side, so dy upon dx, which is y minus x sine of y by x divided by this x, and give equation number 1. Since it is a homogeneous differential equation, so let y upon x is equal to v or y is equal to vx, and when we differentiate with respect to x, we will get dy upon dx, which is equal to v, and differential of x, that is 1 plus x and dv by dx. So put this value in equation number 1, in place of dy upon dx, put this value v plus x dv upon dx, and right side in place of y write vx, x as it is, sine y upon x it means v, and denominator that is x as it is. Now x which is common and cancel out, and this v also cancel out. So we have only x dv upon dx, which is equal to minus sin v. Now separate the variable. So dv upon sin v, and that side dx upon x. See there. Since here variable is separated, so taking integral both the side, 1 upon sin v, that is cosec v, and here minus 1 upon x and dx plus some constant c, but in place of c write here log c, because integral of 1 by x, that is log x, and integral of cosec v also log of cosec v minus cot v. So write log c here. Here by logarithm rule it will be c upon x, and in next step log cancel out. So only cosec v minus cot v is equal to c by x, and in place of v, if you want to write here y by x, there is no problem. So cosec y upon x minus cot y upon x, that side c by x. This is our answer, but this is not written in NCERT book. So cosec v convert into 1 upon sin v, and cot it means cos upon sin, and take LCM which is sin v. So in numerator only 1 minus cos v remaining, and now sin v transfer into right side and this x transfer into left side. So you will get x in the bracket 1 minus cos v, and that side c into sin v. Now in place of v write y upon x. So your answer is x in the bracket 1 minus cos y upon x, and that side c into sin y upon x. This is the answer which is written in your NCERT book. Next question, question number 9. So in question number 9, y into dx plus x log of y upon x dy minus 2x and dy. Since it is y upon x, so we will take y upon x is equal to v. So y is equal to vx, then we will get dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So in this question we have to find dy upon dx, the value of dy upon dx. So in second and third term there are dy written, so dy is common from second and third term, and first term y into dx transfer into right side. So here you will get only x log of y by x minus 2x and dy which is common, and this term when we transfer into right side you will get minus y and dx. So dy upon dx which is equal to minus y upon this bracket. Now since it is a homogeneous differential equation, so let y upon x is equal to v. So y is equal to vx, then differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy upon dx which is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So in equation number 1, in place of dy upon dx, put this value v plus x dv upon dx, and minus sign y that is vx, and here x as it is, y upon x that is v, and 2x also as it is. Now x is common and cancel out, only v upon log v minus 2 remaining, and this we transfer into right side and take LCM. So see LCM is there, x dv upon dx and minus v, and v into log v minus 2, v into log v minus 2 upon log v minus 2. When we open the bracket, minus v log v and minus plus 2v and minus v, you will get only plus v, this is plus v, minus v log v upon log v minus 2. Now separate the variable. So log v minus 2 here, and if minus sign is common out, then v log v minus v log v minus v here, minus sign which is common and right here, and dx upon x. Now since variable is separated, so taking integral both the side. So log v minus 2 upon, if v is common, then log v minus 1 remaining, that side, minus dx upon x and plus some constant c. So in place of c, write log c, because here integral of this item which is log of x, and here also we will get the value in the term of log. So log v minus 2, in place of minus 2 write minus 1 and minus 1, and log v minus 1, see this is log v minus 1. So log v minus 1 divided by this denominator, and this one also divided by log v minus 1 into v. So here log v minus 1 which is cancelled out, only 1 by v remaining, 1 by v remaining. So its integral which is log of v, and here also 1 upon v into log v minus 1. So when we put log v minus 1 is equal to t, then its differential is 1 by v. So write 1 by v like this, 1 upon v, see there, this is 1 by v dv, and 1 by v, it means 1 by v, and after that log v minus 1, and that side which is log c by x by logarithm rules. See 1 by v, since differential of denominator which present in numerator, so its integral is log of v. Same as here, differential of denominator which present in numerator, so its integral is log of v, log of log v minus 1, this is denominator, log of denominator. Now by logarithm rules it will be v upon log v minus 1, log and log cancel out, so only v upon log v minus 1, that side only c by x, and in place of v write y upon x. So y upon x, here also y upon x, this x right here, so x it will be cancel out, so y upon only log y minus 1, log y upon x minus 1, and this bracket transfer into right side, so you will get y is equal to c in the bracket log y upon x minus 1. But your NCERT book answer is written like this, c into y and log y upon x minus 1. So if this c, when you transfer it into left side, you will get 1 by c, and suppose this 1 by c is equal to suppose capital C, then you will get the answer. So in question number 10, 1 plus e to the power x upon y dx and e to the power x upon y and 1 minus x upon y dy. So in this question, x upon y is equal to v, we have to put x upon y is equal to v, so x is equal to vy. So since x is equal to vy, so when we differentiate with respect to y, we will get dx upon dy. So in this question, dx as it is and dy transfer into right side, and find the value of dx upon dy. So here dx upon dy, which is e to the power x upon y, and in the bracket xy minus 1, and once again here 1 plus e to the power x upon y. And since it is a homogeneous differential equation, so x upon y is equal to v, so x is equal to y, and differentiate with respect to y, so dx upon dy, v first function as it is, differential of second, plus second as it is, differential of first. Now from equation number 1, in place of dx upon dy, write this v plus y dv upon dy, and here e to the power v, here v minus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power v. This v transfer into right side and take LCM, so v into 1 plus e into v, see there. So y into dv upon dy, and e to the power v minus 1 as it is, minus v into 1 plus e to the power v. So when we open the bracket, v into e to the power v, it will be cancelled out, only this two term remaining, minus v and minus e to the power v, so minus sign is common out, both will be positive. Now separate the variable, so v transfer into left side and y transfer into right side. So only dv remaining here, 1 plus ev and divided by v plus e to the power v, and minus sign as it is dy and upon y. Since variable is separated, so taking integral both the side. So integral of 1 plus e to the power v upon v plus e to the power v dv, and that side minus sign as it is, integral dy upon y plus some constant c. So in place of c, write here log c, because integral of this item which is in the form of log, because its differential which present in numerator. Here also its differential is log of y. So write log c, which is constant, integral constant. So its integral which is log of denominator, here also minus log of y and log c. By logarithm rule it will be c upon y, log and log cancel out. So only v plus e to the power v, and that side cy remaining, y transfer here. So y into v plus e to the power v, see there. And in place of v, write x upon y. So when we take LCM, this y is cancelled out. So we will get only x plus y into e to the power x upon y equal to c. This is our answer.